Welcome everybody to another video, and today we will be discussing secret number 13 from the DotCom Secrets book from Russell Brunson. Hey everybody, welcome back. My name is Emiliano Pintos. I'm glad you guys are here today. And as I said, we are discussing secret number 13. And if you want to know what that is, boom, a drum roll, that is challenge funnels. You don't know what a challenge funnel is? We'll stick around and find out. Before I get started, if you guys want this book, hardcover, free book, all you have to pay is for shipping and handling. Over 300 pages of value and knowledge. Check the link in the description. It'll take you to the page. You fill out your form, you pay for the shipping, which is like $7, and you get this free book, guys, that can definitely change your life if you want to start building an online empire, or if you simply want to create funnels for your real estate business and capture leads. Either way, this is the way to go, okay? Today we're discussing challenge funnels. What is a challenge funnel? Simple. If you have knowledge in your head that you are trying to get out to the world and recruit a tribe so they can follow you, and then maybe you can sell them more of that knowledge, like an upsell in a course or a mini course or something of that nature, you can create a challenge funnel. A challenge funnel is a way to get people in for free by obviously providing value. So you're going to bring them in and you're going to let them know that you are providing a 14 to 13-day free challenge where they're going to meet with you on live calls every day for at least 1 hour. The subscribers are going to go through the process and they're actually going to get something done within that time period, 14 days or 30 days, whatever the case is. They're going to see value. They're going to start with nothing and end with something. This chapter talks about the time frames, why 14 days, why 30 days, why nothing less than that. He also helps you structure the first page of the challenge funnel, the second page of the challenge funnel, which is usually an upsell, and then obviously the thank you page. Well, again, the challenge funnel is to grow your tribe, give them something of value that takes them over a course of a few days. In that time frame, they build rapport with you, trust. They get to know, like, and trust you. And at the end, are going to upsell them to the paid version of this course, okay, where they get even more value or something totally different. But by then, you're going to have built a relationship with all of your viewers, and your conversion on your sales presentation is going to be optimal. A lot more than just creating a presentation and putting it out on Facebook or Instagram to try to generate sales that way. There's a lot of detail in the book. One of the things that he talks about is how to do an upsell with the funnel. So they come in for free because you are giving them a value over a certain time period for free, but on the second page of the funnel, there's an option to upsell them. Upsell them to maybe some coaching, like a personal accountability, or mail them some documents, their learning process a lot better, a lot smoother throughout the challenge, throughout the days of the challenge. So it's a small upsell, nonetheless it's an upsell. So people come into your challenge for free, you upsell them on something small, and at the end of the challenge, then there's the perfect webinar presentation that you can go ahead and do to get them into the other step of your value ladder. Again, my name is Emiliano Pintos. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share this video to as many entrepreneurs as you possibly know. Again, the link is in the description. Not buy this book. Pay for shipping and get this book 100% free. Hardcover, incredible value, guys. I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.